lads.
Good morning, guys. I ended up finding my dildo for the camera, which a lot of you were freaked out about, but it looks like a dildo, but it goes into the camera. We're actually going on Liam's drive today. Liam has arranged, Liam Hart, my photographer, a lot of you will know him, the photographer friend. He's a friend, but he's a photographer. He's arranged to drive through the Lake District today. Not sure how many people are going. It looks quite good in the group. I think there's like 300 people going on the group, so it should be fun. We need to meet in Middlebrook in about half an hour, so I'm going to set off now. It's about 8 o'clock. So we're going to drive around the Lake District, which is going to be absolutely beautiful. So I've got the GoPro, so I've got all the cameras, and we might get some absolute gorgeous shots. Now, it's not the sunniest day, but whatever. Then I've got a job. I've got a butlering job in the Lake District after, so as they're on the way back, I'm going to just branch off and just go to Lake Windermere, which is also gorgeous. And we've got a job around there, so I'm just going to chill there for a few hours. Obviously, I'll just grab some food and just sit on my own until the job, because the job's at 7, and they're probably going to be finishing the drive around about 2. So I've probably got a few hours to just chill by myself. I've actually brought along the Einhell jump starter, which is a beautiful bit of kit. So there's the jump starter itself. I can jump start a car, can you believe it? And we've got loads of different attachments and stuff. So I've got that just in case, like, you know, someone's car dies, or someone's phone dies, or if I need it later charge my phone, things like that. So we've got literally every attachment for it, and it's sick. So I'm going to keep that in the boot. Probably going to keep it in the boot all the time, actually. So it's very handy to have. But let's get to Middlebrook. I actually got a full tank last night, so hopefully that'll be good for the whole day. But evil life, you never really know. I just want to say this a bit quickly, actually. If your friends or anyone you know is holding an event, try your hardest to make it. I see a lot of people that things going on, they're like, oh no, I can't remember coming, or I don't want to come because of this, or I don't want to come because of that. If your friends are holding an event, just go, because it means so much to them if you actually go. Like, I've held a lot of events, and I know what it's like when people let you down, and I know it's not a big thing. It's like, oh no, he'll have a good time without me. It means so much when you go, when you turn up. So if your friends or anyone that you know are holding an event, just try your hardest to always make it. It means the world to them. So try and do that to your friends. Make the world a nicer place. Stop being so selfish. But we're meeting at a Tesco, which is good. So I'm going to brim the tank up. Just going to brim it up to what I've used to get here, just so I've got a full tank. Because on the way, I highly doubt there's going to be a Shell or a Tesco anywhere on the route. I should have just read the bloody description of the page, and I wouldn't have had to go out last night at 12 o'clock at night, drive 5 miles just to get fuel. So I wish I knew it was meeting at a Tesco, and then I could have just come here in the morning, but whatever. Right, we're ready. I've been told there's 3 Shell stops, so on the way, so we're fine. This is a fucking loud as fuck. Give it a blip! Whole cooking car shakes. I'm not doing it. My engine's cold. My engine's cold. Them bastards don't give a shit. There's a lot of focuses and stuff. A lot of focuses. This thing is fucking loud. Liam needs to send us the map. Apparently you can like share a Google map, so he's got like the whole thing up on his phone of where we're going and where we're stopping and everything.
Slow down.
Pardon? We all slow down? Yeah. Right, let's go. I think this feels got caught behind. But I'm probably not going. I'm probably not going to record much of the motorway in the first bit. When we get to the lakes, guys. We've got the GoPro ready. The GoPro's going to be going here. It should be fun. We're at the first stop. Good, because I'm absolutely dying for a wee. Badly. I've drank this fucking Robinson's drink way too quickly, lads. So we're at the second stop. Look at it, Sylvia, man. Oh, lad, that is sick. What? Do something cool, mate. So we're taking over Shell. Does anyone need a drink? Is anyone getting a drink? That's quite good, actually. Look, good everyone. Hello. So this is where Liam says the fun roads are. So I mean, realistically, I mean, I'd be able to, I'm probably the car here which can carry the most speed around the corners, realistically. So we're probably going to have to keep braking a lot on the corners, but we should be able to just have some fun. Fiesta, man. Joe got PBS pads in it. Brakes are getting a bit shit. Smelling. So apparently the Evo was flaming like mad. Reese was saying that some of the flames come up to the wing. I know. But we give him a nice dirty stone chip on his windscreen. Whoops. I need to find someone to go for a wee though, because I really need a wee. But look at this. It's lovely, man. Yeah, so Kate got some of the flames on film, which I'm happy about, but I'm going to run in here and go for a wee, because I really need a wee. I'm taking the lead, guys, because we were wasting a lot of brake pads before, a lot of, you know, bombing it and braking, bombing it and braking, bombing it and braking. I'm going to take the lead, and I'm going to show them that you can drive fast without using your brakes. So none of them, they're all miles off. If you carry the speed through the corners, you don't need to brake, you save your fuel, save your brakes, and it's a win-win all around. Just flooring through the corners, trying to show them that that's a faster way of driving, and none of them can keep up now, and my brake pads are fine. So whoop whoop, win-win. See, just carry the speed through, look at that, so much better. You've got to have a lot of confidence in your tyres. But once you have that, you know, it's much better fun. It's starting to rain now, which is not good for the Toyos. Like, these are some beautiful roads, but they're being ruined by A, the weather, and B, these two cars in front of us. I know it's raining and that, but there's no need for going 25 miles an hour on this road when in the rain. Like, absolutely no need. And I could overtake them, but then it just causes havoc for the people behind me as well. Like, these people should just see that there's like 20 cars behind them and just pull over. It's quite selfish, to be fair, what these cars are doing. So I might overtake them, to be fair, because the rain's stopping here as well, and I don't want to be going. I don't want to keep coming on and off the throttle all the time. So I'm probably just going to overtake these in a minute, because they are taking the piss a little bit, to be honest. So this is where we are at something called like Heartside Cafe. I thought it'd be an actual cafe, but it shut down. But the roads up there were really wet and they were really fun, but I don't know, my tyres are not cut out for that. We're here. It's beautiful. Lovely. Finally got data, which is good, and catch one everything I've been missing out on. But they look like really good roads down there, but it's just a shame that it's really wet. It looks like it's drying up here, which is good, but back in them ones it was absolutely pissing it down, so there was no chance that we were going fast around there. But she's doing alright. She's doing well. There we go, these are the ones that got stuck behind them two cars on the thing, probably. Whoa! Careful with that! Oh, this way! Oh, what's that face for? Oh! The views are great here. Cars. Yeah, let's look at the abandoned cafe. But that's really nice there. I'm not sure what's happened. Maybe a fire or something like that. But this one was just packing up, so kind of glad she didn't, because about 100 cup of tea she sold. The cars. Right, so we're on the last straight here now. Yeah, we're on the last straight. We're going to one more shell. and then everyone's going home. So from there I'm going to go to, well, this is quite a nice road, look how it dips down. I'm going to go to my job from the next place. So everyone's back here now. I almost hit the guy in the blue ST. Fuck it, open the door. Why did everyone slam on that fucking bend? Which one? I almost went into the back of one of these STs because we were on a corner, everyone just slammed on. The sun's come out a bit now, lads. Like, look at the mountains up there and over there. The way we're going to the job, I think it's actually through all of them. So, should be really nice. Like, look at this coming up now. It's a bit annoying, there's fucking trails in front of us, but look at that, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, man. Not sure how well you can see it on the camera because it's just a GoPro. But yeah, man, it's absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully these cars get out of the way and the roads start getting a little bit wider and more mountainous, then we can have a bit of fun. But yeah, really nice to look at, and the sun's out now as well, so gorgeous. The place of Butler as well, it's right on Lake Windermere, so it should be really nice as well. And I've got a really good friend Jamie I'm working with, so it should be a nice night. Man, look at this here, the scenery on the right, it's gorgeous. Beautiful. So we're about 14 miles away. I hope there's a pub. I really hope there's a pub. I really need some food. And my job starts in just over 2.5 hours, so I hope there's one on the way. I hope we don't get a pub which takes an hour to bring out the food, do you know what I mean? But nice, it's beautiful around here. This golf's annoying, but what I'm seeing there looks really good on the camera. The camera's making that look really good.